What's up guys, Carly here, and I'm going to teach you how to do an around the world jump rope trick. So grab your rope and check me out. Hey, welcome back guys. Alright, let's get started on how to do the around the world jump rope trick. So you want to make sure that you have your rope in your hands, and there's two main things that you want to be able to do. First is going to be a side swing. So you're just gonna swing the rope left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, just like that. And you wanna make sure that you can do a side wrap. So that is wrapping the rope around you either to the left or to the right. I'll let you see from the back. I have one hand behind my back, and I'm just wrapping the rope like this and the other way. All right, so once you have those two moves down, you got this. All right, so first we're gonna start with doing it standing up before we actually get in a squat position and turn, okay? So you're gonna have your rope to your side, just like this, as if you're going to do the side wrap, and we're gonna lift our left leg, then right leg, and it's gonna go through our legs. So we're gonna go lift left, lift right, swing the rope around your head. Lift right, lift left, swing it around. Left, right, swing it around. Left, right, swing it around. Left, right, just like that. I'm gonna do it in slow motion right here. That's all there is to it. Once you got this movement down, you're gonna get in a squat position and you're gonna turn and do the same thing. So here we go. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. I'll do it one more time in slow motion. That's all there is to it. All right, guys, let me know if you have any other questions. Thanks so much for checking that out. I hope you mastered it. If you did, make sure to tag me. I'd love to see your videos. Make sure you also subscribe below. I post new videos every Tuesday and Thursday, and I'd love to have you join me. Thank you, bye.